Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia 8000 4G, and I'm gonna show you how to set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. First, we need to open the settings. To do it, press the middle button right here on the directional pad to open the menu. Now use the directional pad to move through the menu, find the settings icon. It's on the third page, right here. Select the settings icon and press the middle button to enter. Now, in settings, make sure that the network and connectivity category is selected. If it's not, you can change the categories by using the right and left button, like that. Select the network and connectivity, then scroll down by pressing the down button. Find the option called internet sharing and select it, then press the middle button. Here, as you can see, we have Wi-Fi hotspot settings, but before we enable it, let's set it up first. So let's scroll down, find the option called hotspot settings and press the middle button to enter. And here we can set up our hotspot. First option we have is network name. Here we can change the name of our network. For example, we can call it 4G hotspot. Give me a few seconds. Like this. Next option is security. Here basically we can select the security type of our hotspot. If you select this option, you should have a couple of them. First one is open. If you select this option, you won't have the password protection on your hotspot. If you select the second one, this is the WPA protocol basically of passwords. This is the older one if I remember correctly. Next we have WPA2, and this is the newer one, the more secure one I believe, but I might be wrong. Select the option you like by simply hovering over it and then pressing the middle button to select it. Below we have password, and here we can change it basically. We can remove this and type in the password. Okay, and once you type in the password, you can scroll down or just simply press the right selection button to save your settings, because you don't have anything else besides the name, security, and password. Okay, so let's save our settings by pressing the right selection button right here. As you can see, our password changed and the network name changed also. Now, we can also scroll below the hotspot settings, and here we have option called auto turn off. And if you enable this option, basically it allows you to or rather allows your hotspot to turn itself off whenever no devices are connected to the network for a period of time. So if you select this option and press the middle button, here you can select the duration. So if I select, for example, 5 minutes, my network will, or rather my hotspot will turn itself off automatically if no devices are connected for 5 minutes or more. Basically, it's gonna turn itself off. And you can select any duration right here on this list. Okay, let's scroll up. And to turn on the hotspot, we have this option right here in the internet sharing called Wi-Fi hotspot. You can select it, press the middle button, then select on and press the middle button to enable it. And now you should see this icon right here next to the reception bar. That's the hotspot icon. And as you can see, it's enabled. We don't have any internet because for some reason this SIM card is not connecting to internet. But if you had the internet on your mobile network, you will be able to share your network with other people. And to disable the hotspot, you need to enter the internet sharing options again. Find this option, Wi-Fi hotspot, select it, select off to disable it like this. And that's how you set up and enable the portable hotspot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.